So Dubai's 9% tax is now in effect, and we're going to talk today whether or not that's going to affect you. And just a quick disclaimer here, all of my videos are based on my own research and opinion, so please don't take it as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor or a tax advisor or anything like that. These videos are based on my own experiences with property investment in Dubai. So if you didn't know, effective the 1st of June 2023, Dubai now has a 9% corporation tax. Now, I've been investing in Dubai over the last couple of years. I have a number of investment properties here, and now I've decided to make this channel all about Dubai investing. So if you do like that sort of thing, smash the subscribe button because I will bring you videos as much as I possibly can if you are interested in that space, because I think that Dubai's investment landscape is one of the most lucrative on the entire planet. That's why I've bought all of the properties that I own currently in Dubai. With that said, guys, I'm going to leave a link to my email address down there in the description if you guys have any questions. I'm also going to leave a link to a new group that I've just created where we're going to be bringing information on the Dubai market, potential opportunities in the property market, and so much more. So all you have to do is follow the link and join the WhatsApp. If you don't like it, you can just leave. And with that said, let's discuss what is going on. So in my opinion, this actually will not affect that many people, and I'm about to explain why. However, it will impact certain individuals, and you have to be aware of this. Specifically, the 9% corporation tax will affect mainland businesses involved in mainland trading. This means within Dubai. So if you're a company that is trading within Dubai, say it's a restaurant or a car showroom or something like that, if you're transacting in Dubai, this 9% corporation tax will actually affect you. So even if you're operating or set up a free zone company, which you might have heard about, if you are earning money in Dubai, you will still be subject to this tax. But there is a caveat to that. The threshold for this is 375,000 dirhams, which is in and around 100,000 US dollars. So any income above this will be taxed. But just like any other country, with a good financial auditor or bookkeeper, you can claim back your expenses, which can be deducted. Now, if we compare this to other parts of the world, a 9% tax is still very reasonable. In countries like the UK, for instance, anything over $50,000 in income tax has a much higher taxable amount. In Dubai, income tax is still tax-free, but we're going to go over that in a second. Now, if you are currently outside of Dubai and you're thinking about moving here to invest into property or set up a business, some of my partners can help you with all of that. So any questions you have, again, send me an email and just ask me them. But I want to tell you about my story and why I actually came back to Dubai after leaving for about a year during COVID-19. I worked here for around 5 years on a contract basis. That entire time, all of my income completely tax-free. Incredible, I know. But at the end of this period, when I saved enough money to start my own business, I decided that it was time for me to leave and go home back to the UK. And after a little bit of time, I started to generate some money in the online e-commerce space. And I realized very quickly that moving back to the UK was a terrible idea. I had now signed myself up for not only 19% corporation tax, but VAT had just come into effect, so another 20%. And on top of that, when I paid myself, I had to pay upwards of 40% tax on that money. So it was not a good idea for me to do this from the UK. So I moved back to Dubai and I got myself set up as quickly as I possibly could in Dubai, which means I can travel the world, I can work on my computer, but my company is situated in Dubai. But remember, I'm not transacting with people in Dubai. I'm only transacting with people outside of Dubai. So all of my income is still tax-free. So if you operate online in e-commerce, YouTube, SMMA, crypto, anything like that, you will not be affected. And this applies to if you run your businesses in free zones, and because you are earning money online, you are not trading in the mainland. So as a freelancer, you can still operate tax-free. And again, if you do want to set yourself up a business so you can also operate tax-free, drop me an email or join the WhatsApp group. Now, how will this tax affect people who invest in the property market? From what I understand today, and this is subject to change and I may be wrong on this matter, so I'm going to continue to be looking into it, but from what I can see from this website, Corporate Tax UAE, we can see that real estate investments by an individual in his/her personal capacity, given the said individual isn't required by law to obtain and maintain a trade or commercial license/permit for carrying out the investment within the UAE, that person will be exempt from tax. From what I understand from that, if the property is in your own name, there will be no tax. But if it's in the name of a company and the rental income or whatever the income is exceeds that 375,000 dirham mark, it will be subject to tax. But please do look into that yourself because I'm not 100% sure on this matter. Now, Now, again, if you are salaried in the UAE, you will not pay any income tax, no matter how much money you make. Between 1,000 dirhams and 100 million dirhams, there is still no income tax. So with that said, hopefully I provided you with some value here. If you have any questions regarding tax, company setup, or in property investment in Dubai, let me know down in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. Again, any questions, direct them to my email and come over and join the WhatsApp group, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.